Baking Technician for Class 9. Unit 1, Overview of the Bakery Sector. Session 8, Leavening and the Shortening Agents used in the bakery. Hello students, welcome to the video lecture series for the job role Baking Technician for Class 9th. Unit 1, Overview of the Bakery Sector. In the previous video, you have learned about the flours used in the bakery. In this video, you will learn about the leavening and the shortening agent used in a bakery. Leavening agent. Students, the leavening agents helps in raising the volume of bakery products. Different leavening agents are used for different bakery products include yeast, baking soda, baking powder, ammonium bicarbonate. Students, let us now know about these leavening agents in detail. Yeast. Yeast is a leavening agent which helps the dough to rise in the presence of moisture and warmth, and in turn produces carbon dioxide, which increases the volume of the dough. Yeast is available both in fresh as well as in dried form. Baking powder. Baking powder is a chemical compound and used as a leavening agent. It is a mixture of sodium bicarbonate, an acid, and a filler. The acid can be either tartaric acid or citric acid or cream of tartar. The filler is usually rice, potato, or corn starch. When sodium bicarbonate reacts with the cream of tartar or citric acid or tartaric acid in the presence of the filler, baking powder is obtained as a result of the reaction. When heated, sodium bicarbonate releases only 15% of the total carbon dioxide gas, but when added with an acid ingredient, it releases up to 100% of carbon dioxide gas. The acid present in the baking powder neutralizes the leftover soda so that no aftertaste is left in the bakery product. Baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate has a chemical formula of NaHCO3. It is also known as the bicarbonate of soda. During the baking process, it liberates carbon dioxide, a leavening gas. Baking soda also liberates carbon dioxide gas when it is mixed with acidic substances like sour milk, buttermilk, or vinegar. Sodium bicarbonate is popular because of its low cost, lack of toxicity, and ease of handling and easy availability. Students, it is interesting to know the difference between the baking soda and the baking powder. The baking soda is mixed with sour milk or buttermilk or the vinegar for the preparation of dough, while the baking powder contains sodium bicarbonate, cream of tartar or citric acid or tartaric acid, and filler as starch. Ammonium bicarbonate. It is used extensively in cookies and in bakery products that are baked almost to dryness. During the baking process, it decomposes completely into the gases like ammonia, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. It should be measured precisely for usage because a slight excess can spoil the quality of the biscuit or cookies. Shortening agents. Students, shortening agents are used in making the bakery products moist and crispy. The term shortening technically refers to any type of fat that is solid at room temperature, include butter, margarine, and lard. Shortening can be made from either animal fat or vegetable oil, but most shortening available today is made from vegetable oils like soybean, cottonseed, or palm oil. Different type of shortening agents used in the bakery are: first, butter. Butter is obtained from churning the milk. The fat content in the butter is about 85%. It is widely used in biscuits, cakes, and cookies. Second, margarine. Margarine is obtained from the hydrogenated oils. It contains about 80% fat and it is cheaper substitute for butter in biscuit, cakes, and cookies. Third, Vanaspati ghee. Vanaspati ghee is made from vegetable oils. It contains 100% fat and is used for all fried bakery products. And lastly, refined oil. Refined oil is obtained from the oil seeds like soya bean. It also contains 100% fat and is used for glazing bakery products, lining the pans and trays. Students, let us summarize what we have learned in this lecture. Leavening agent helps in raising the volume in bakery products. Different leavening agents are used for different bakery products include yeast, baking powder, baking soda, ammonium bicarbonate. Shortening agents are used in making the bakery product moist and crispy. It refers to any type of fat that is solid at room temperature. Different shortening agents used for bakery product includes butter, margarine, vanaspati ghee and refined oil. So students, that's all from this session. See you in the next video. Thank you.